What's up, Amazon Flex drivers? In this video, I want to show you the process to find your 1099 tax document so you can complete your tax return. Let's get to it right now. Go ahead and open up your Amazon Flex app. In the top left-hand corner, click on the three lines to get into the drop-down menu. Go ahead and find where it says Settings and click there. At the very top, click on Personal Information. Now go ahead and click on tax information. Now you need to scroll up till you find tax statements, and you need to highlight the link. And then when you go to your web browser, you need to copy the link in your web browser. It will pull up your information, and then down a little ways you will find where it says tax statements, and you need to click on tax statement download to pull up your 1099. Now that your 1099 is downloaded, you can print it or email it to someone for your use. I surely hope that was helpful and easy enough process for you to find the document that you're looking for. I know it's pretty lengthy and it might take a little extra time to get it down, but there you go, the process for finding your 1099 as an Amazon Flex driver. Until the next video, take care.